One digital mechanism transformed life in one pandemic and brought everything on the new normal scenario. So we are discussing for new academic session legal studies, and we are discussing one aspect where we will going to have the emergence of state and nation. राज्य देश दोनों का गठन, उनका आपस में बनता हुआ समीकरण. We will learn it. Welcome you all in new phase of learning emergence of state and nation. We have firstly learned what is society, a collaborated web which fulfills each other's requirement, and we are living the life of interdependence on each other. Then we have politically organized society, that is called state, and then we were going to pursue to the nation. But before pursuing to the nation, we have to learn the key elements of a state. So today's class based on it. 4 key elements of a state, and we will discuss the second one today. The first one is population. Second one is your today's class based element of state. Territory. आपके एरिया की लोकेशन, उसकी पूरी बाउंड्री, उसका रीजन, and that brings the concept of second level for element of state. Firstly, population is marked, and then in its a region specified, then it is identified as territory. So territory is a state institutional boundaries, you can say. Fixed territory and population of a state gives a physical identity. किसी जगह की शनाख्त होती है उसकी territory, and then the municipal law and international law existence over here. The functions of state even marks its presence in the territory, and then when a state attain its territory, किसी जगह को अपना एक दायित्व निभाने के लिए एक region मिल जाए, that give them power of political and legal community management. And then the human beings association of society came in. It is a geographical area which is owned and controlled by a supreme authority of government, or a country has the state sovereignty. That means you do not have any influence of external forces, and you have been accepted by the internal people. Dear scholars, again we have assembled, and this time we are discussing legal studies, and we are marking the word earlier: state, government, entity, nation. We were discussing one of the aspects here, state. As we have discussed various political thinker, Aristotle, you can say MacLever, kinship theory of their deliverance beliefs. Then we have metrical theories. Then we have divine theories, social contract theory. Everything marks the identity. Legal studies. Now we will going to understand one word. The state mark you with the geographical area or a region which is said to be territory, and this territory mark you with the word land. Land, आपका हक, जमीनी हक. Land belong to a state and individual. या तो एक फैमिली से होगी, क्लैंग से होगी, ट्राइब से होगी, विलेज से होगी, लैंड स्टेट की होगी, वो रीजन वाइज होगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स मार्क द आइडेंटिकल जियोग्राफिकल बाउंड्री. It is geographically based because it is as per your location. Then it has this exclusive jurisdiction, यानी वहाँ आपका control होगा, आपका law होगा. Because the animal, we are social animal, we are political animal, we have supreme authority to follow, then the government is there. Everything marks the identity with the territory and state. It is interrelated. And then we have a jurisdiction as well. Jurisdiction यानी आपका control, control यानी आपका वहाँ पे orders चलते होंगे, supreme authority होगी, autocracy होगी, anything like that will take place. Exclusively, it's yours only. It is in your control. So that's why you controlled it. It's exclusive. And when you have the geographical boundaries, so you have resources. The resources can be human resource. So the population word. Then you have coal, steel, other resources, physical resources, you can say. Physical resources. So everything marks you with an identity. Population is your human resource, beta. Human resource. And then coal is your physical resource. You can say water boundaries,
जो भी ऐसा एरिया जो आपको जियोग्राफिकली टाई अप करता हो, चाहे वाटर बाउंड्रीज हो, आपकी एयरलाइंस के लिए एयर टेरिटरीज हो, दैट मार्क्स योर नेशन. और टुडे दैट मार्क्स योर नेशन ना. अर्लियर दे मार्क दिस टेरिटरी. टुडे यू यूज टू से नेशन, हमारा देश है ये, हमारे देश की जमीन है. पर आप उस टाइम इसे टेरिटरी कहते थे, आज भी टेरिटरी कहते हैं. दैट इज योर नेशनलिस्टिक टेरिटरी. यू कैसे से नेशनल टेरिटरी, नेशनलिज्म फीलिंग्स, कनेक्टिविटी विद इट. सो इट मार्क्स द टेरिटरी. टेरिटरी इज अ रीजनल, रीजन बेस्ड है ये. और रीजन किस चीज को मार्क करके देगा? आपके स्टेट को. सो दैट्स वाई here we are concluding, and we will going to have PowerPoint discussion as well. So let's conclude with a promise to see each other again.
Judicial and administrative control marks the presence of a territory. They have the judicial powers and they control the resources. Then that area is regarded as a territory. It is a land which belongs to a state and individual. Internal waterways, territorial seaways, which claim its sovereignty, that they have the supreme authority and there is no influence of external powers. जब एयर स्पेस above this territory, land, water boundaries, you can say atmosphere, natural resources, livestock, agriculture, उस क्षेत्र का सारा रीजन आपके कंट्रोल में आता हो, मार्क्स द फिजिकल बेसिस ऑफ स्टेट एंड वन कंट्रोलिंग अथॉरिटी. टेरिटरी एक शब्द, आपका लैंड ओनरशिप, उस एरिया में आपकी सुप्रीम पावर होना, जुडिशियल कंट्रोल होना और रिसोर्सेज पर आपकी अथॉरिटी होना. दैट मार्क्स यू टेरिटरी. टेरिटरी इज सेकेंड की एलिमेंट ऑफ स्टेट because firstly population is being determined, then we are living in a particular specified area or a region, then it is territory, and later we will learn government because the people of this area will going to have one supreme authority. So till then, take care, see you again soon.